Packed with great features, the GARDENA CleverRoll Hose Trolleys are easy to assemble. Let's show you how. First, take all the parts out of the carton and lay them out in front of you. You won't need anything else. Start by inserting the two internal drum parts into one of the discs, making sure you hear the two locking clicks. Now insert them into the second disc and again, listen for the clicks. Next step is to insert the crank handle into the center of one of the discs. Make sure to align the 3 grooves when inserting. On the other side, insert the black plastic tube from the inside out. The angled end goes on the inside, and remember to align the 3 grooves. You'll find 2 tap nut adapters in the plastic bag. Attach them to both sides of the plastic tube, making sure they are nice and tight. The drum is now assembled, so let's put it to the side. Okay, now the wheelbase. Connect the 2 wheels using the axle tube. The screws have easy grip heads, so no tools are required. Make sure to screw them in all the way so they cut into the bar firmly. Next, let's click the kick and stand bar in place. We are going to put the drum on now, so let's turn the base around so that it is resting on the kick and stand base and the wheels and slot the drum in. Okay, now the top handle. First, insert the orange clamps in an open position. Now slide the handle in and turn the clamps inwards. If you have purchased the turquoise medium CleverRoll, congratulations! Your hose trolley is now assembled. The large model has one more easy step, the hose guide. Just slip the 2 side bars into their slots, listen for the 2 clicks, and you're done. We hope you enjoy your new GARDENA product. Need help? Call or message us on Facebook.